Hello everyone, it's Karina. I'm back with another Scrap Diva Designs design team unboxing. I've already been seeing some really cute projects being done with this die. It's called Pajama Set. I like that it even comes with these little pieces to design your shirt and pants. This next one is called Teddy Bear. So this does come with little tiny dies to paper piece your teddy bear together. This is so cute. This next die is called Round Charcuterie Add-on. This one's going to be super cute to make a tag flip out of. You can even make it into an ornament. Love the scalloped detail. Get 3 different sizes. This one is called Holly and Berries. This looks like a pretty die. I like the embossing on the holly leaves. I'm excited about this one. It's called Candy Bag Shaker. Ooh, comes with 4 different bags. So this is the small bag. You also get these little like cookies, peppermints, these cute little bunnies. You can make an Easter theme one. Candy mix. Oh, that's so cute. This word says candy mix. It's a shadow word. Cookies. Has these cookies and candy mix in a larger size. That is just so cute. Alright, and this one is called 3D Bow Gift Bag. This one feels like a 2-piecer. Ooh, that's a large bag. Okay, yes, I remember seeing a few projects done with this. So this creates these side pockets for the bag. I think these 2. And this would be the front of the bag. You get the layering pieces, of course. These look like little buckles. So cute. This one is called Baseball Words. So they're shadow words. That's a pretty font. This one is Baseball Words number 1. I'm sure there's some words I can use here. I don't have anyone that likes baseball or anything. This last die, it is called Baseball Mini Album. I'm sure I can use this some other way. I don't know much about baseball. So it looks like this, and it looks like a jean pocket, so maybe I could use it for that or make a banner. That would be cute. Alright, that's all the dies I got to share for now. Stay tuned for some project shares. I will leave all of the links to these dies down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye everyone!